We are TheLifeCo, an award-winning holistic wellness and detox center. You may know us with our juice fasting programs like Master Detox or Green Juice Detoxes. But do you know that we also offer delicious raw vegan eating programs which will detoxify you deeply and help you to lose weight? Do you have some unhealthy eating habits that you're not happy with? You want to make some healthy choices but you don't know where to start? You've been hearing raw vegan food, but you think it's tasteless, it's repetitive and boring? Well, give us a chance at TheLifeCo so we can change your healthy food perception. You will be really surprised how healthy food can be very delicious and healing you as well. At TheLifeCo, we do provide 3 different eating programs for you. One is called Low Calorie Program, which is limited with 1200 calories per day. The other one is intermittent fasting, which is becoming very popular all over the world lately. And the other winning program is ketogenic diet. All our programs are plant-based and therapeutic. The clean food will alkaline your body and detoxify it from the toxic accumulations. It will repair, renew, and rejuvenate the whole system. It's an excellent way to prevent and cope with the chronic diseases such as diabetes, cholesterol, and hypertension. It's a great mood regulator so you can feel much better all day long. So the good food is good mood. Well, imagine you eat a raw vegan pizza and it smells, looks, and tastes like the real pizza. You get the real pleasure, but you don't get heavy and you don't get sick. You just get healthier. So this is what I call guilt-free pleasure. We use ingredients such as fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds and sprouts, plant-based oils, and the mushrooms. All these ingredients are full of vitamins and minerals. They're fresh and seasonal, but more importantly, they're all alive. So you eat live food and you stay alive. That's why we provide kitchen workshops and the educational talks. This way you can understand the philosophy and the science behind our approach, and you can learn how to make them. This way it won't just stay a little sweet experience, it will become part of your own story and your own lifestyle. Well, obviously weight loss is a given in these programs, but if you don't want to lose any weight and if you just want to keep your muscles healthy, Get Fit and Healthy program is specially designed for you with a plant-based proteins. At TheLifeCo, we want to make sure that we can be your lifetime well-being partner.